Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Eternal Fishing. Today in this video, we are going to be like kind of sprucing up 5-foot play with the full 100. We might get one because I already know the wolf we're going to kind of just be sprucing it up, making it look better. I'm going to check it's videoing. Yes, it is. Okay. Who's up there? What in all these things? Look at all this. It's paradise. Yeah. Oh. Shortcut. But yeah, my sister had 3 basketball games, and I just chilled with my boy Silas. So that was toughness. But that's how the fourth stream. What the? Hey, well, what we're gonna do? It's gonna be probably a short video. We're just gonna shoot a mother. Do 5-foot area. We're gonna kind of just get spruced up a little bit. Nothing too crazy. The camera kind of keeps dipping over. I think that's good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take. Oh my bad, guys. The camera fell. Dang. Okay. Okay, so I'm right here. Okay, well guys, 5 minutes is done. See what I mean? It's gonna be a short video. And now I kind of want to find a long stick for that top. Cause I actually want to get something a little bigger. Okay. This is what we have right now. Pretty darn nice. A lot of things matters right now. That's only people like me. 4 steps over. What? I'm saying, but it's just the schools and in the road on this. I think I just almost. I mean, decent, but I'm so itchy my nose. But I'm like, not bug spray, and not necessarily on like, I mean, nah, that ain't gonna be my stick. Ooh, that ain't gonna be my stick. Shoot, I walked into stinking deck on my spot. Fall! Check out this beauty. Beauty and the Beast. Hey, bro. I finna not want to get hit by putting that butch. You camera? You seeing broke on me? You stupid. Man, my man, son. Fast up and on there is gonna be this? Okay, that's a mosquito. Damn. Oh, smoked him. Dang it. He got on my hand as soon as I put my hand up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah? Now I just found a stick. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hey guys, by the way, I'm at 46 subscribers. Let's hit 50. And after that, let's hit 60. After that, let's hit 70. After that, let's hit 80. And then after that, let's hit 90. And then after that, let's hit 100. Now that would be amazing. Because I want to try to get as many subscribers as I can in a month. I'm going to count how many subscribers I can get in 1 month. Okay? And then another video in a month, I will say how many subscribers that I got in 1 month. So guys, I'm gonna go. Alright guys, that's about the video, but about the log right there, I decided not to do it because it's kind of broken in half. So yeah, like the end, like right there, man, broke. So now I'm getting like some leaves and everything and just putting it on one side, and then the other side I'll just put a couple sticks and that'll be double. Why not? I'm just picking a bunch of plants. Okay, by the way guys, whenever I post videos, I try to post really consistently, like one every 2 weeks. And I mean, yeah, but that's it for now. But yeah, it's looking good. Guys, comment, put comments down below. I forget how to say it, but put a comment in this video for me. I might have it turned off if I do. Just, yeah, I don't really know, but yeah. So comment on this video, and if the comments are closed, then just don't do anything. Comment on this video for me to do like survival challenges and stuff, because I'll try to do one, but only if my brother will do it with me, because my mom and dad don't really want me. I'm 11 to be out here in the woods by myself. They're like, nah. I was like, oh my gosh, get off of me. Ooh, that kind of scared me a little bit. I know I just see a green spider going from its web onto me. I'm just like, okay. That's what's looking on now. Yeah, so steer to the other side and it should be good. By the way guys, I bet y'all can't get 300 likes on this video. And 300 views. I bet, not 300 views, I'm saying 300 likes on this video. I bet you guys can't do it. But I believe in you that you can. At the same time, I bet you can't. So, in order of that, I challenge you to get 300 likes on this video. But yeah. Well, for me that ain't gonna work. No possibility. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, I'm about to shut the camera off something. Well, guys, I got the thing under my eye, dude. It's like a speck. I was like this, like juice, whatever, dude. Sorry if my eyes wet. It's not the best video. It's like not the best thing to me, dude. That did not feel good at all. Golly, man. Dadgum. Woo! Oh, by the way, guys, it's something I've been meaning to tell you, but cross-trail outfits. I do hunt with them in Republic, Missouri. So if you want to go hunting with me, do that, and you can go hunting with me. It says like what chapter, Finley River, and then do like Missouri, and I'll just make a video on what hunts I'm going on, and maybe you subscribe to something can go on it with me. Maybe not. I don't know. It's y'all's choice in the season. Okay, signing. If you do want it, yeah, I'll sign all of it, but I don't think my YouTube channel is that big to do that. But yeah. That's all that's going on. Okay. What? I had a bunch of these leaves right here. I didn't see that. Brother. Oh yeah, now that's gotta pin this shit, I think. Whoa. No, okay. Sorry, these are right the camera. Well, that's how it's looking now. It looks pretty good in my opinion. I got that thing by kind of hitting me. Ouch. Let's say this one first. It's not gonna be absolutely perfect. This is the finishing product. Bang. That is it. Looks pretty good. And yeah, I mean, there's one spot there. They're like 1, 2, 4, and 5, and 6. I know you're like, but you gotta cover this up. No, I don't. It's surviving. I don't need that type of stuff. And when you come in here and look at that. Now that's a cool spot. Well, guys, thank you for watching another video of eternal fishing and about the cross-trail thing. Whenever like deer season or whatever comes up, I will tell you guys about. I will make a video. I just sit in the chair and talk about it. But yeah, I don't care at all if any of you don't come, but I like it. And yeah, Jesus loves you guys. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.